Kemet's A780 Conductive Polymer hybrid capacitors provide high ripple current capability, low leakage current, and low ESR in a mechanically robust surface mount package. The highly conductive polymer system is impregnated with a liquid electrolyte and provides self-healing properties to avoid catastrophic failures. This also results in stability over a wide range of temperatures, with the capacitors able to operate at up to 125 degrees Celsius. A780 capacitors are rated for 63 volts DC and can handle ripple currents up to 5.5 amps while providing low leakage current. They're offered with capacitance values from 56 to 100 microfarads in a 10mm diameter V-chip package with standard and anti-vibration versions. Kemet A780 capacitors are AEC Q200 qualified and suitable for use in mobile, automotive, and aircraft installations.